Okay guys, hello and welcome to our Roulette System and Strategies channel, where I will be showing you different roulette strategies and systems. Today I will introduce the system Rolling Color. It's very easy and suitable for beginners. With this system you are playing on colors. Depends on your bankroll, choose the chip of nominative value. In this example, I will be playing with $10 chips. Make a free spin and wait for the color to come. You will be betting on the color that came last. Okay, number 33, so I'm gonna place one $10 chip on black. $28 black, stick to the black. Number 1 red is loose, I will increase my bet by 20. Playing 30 on red. 21 red is a win, so back to the basic bet, $10 on red. For black, now play 30 on black. With this system you're gonna use a long series one color to your advantage. 32 red, I'm gonna increase my bet to 50. 35 black is a lose. I was betting $50 on red, so now it's gonna be 70 on black. Each time you lose, increase your bet by 20. Each time you win, decrease your bet by 20. Okay, so now I'm betting 90 on red. Six black, place a bet of 110 on black. Just bear with me, you will see the system works and you're gonna get your money back. Okay, I went 420. I'm gonna decrease my bet by 20. So I'm gonna bet 90 on black. That's 28 black is a win. Okay, decrease by 20. And you continue like this. You can start from the beginning once you reach some profit, or just continue decreasing your bet every time you win until you reach your basic bet and start from beginning. I'm betting 90 on red now. That's 5 red, so we'll be decreasing. Okay, so my bet's going down. I'm betting 70 on red now. That's 24 black. Increase the bet. Back to 90. Decrease the bet by 20. Okay, so same system can be played with the $1 chip or $5 chips. Everything depends on your bankroll. If you have enough money to continue playing to get your money back. $8 black, increase the bet, 110 on black. It's 25 red, so it's gonna be 130 on red. $17 black again, so it's gonna be 150 on black. Bear with me. 15 black is a win. decreasing my bet, so it's gonna be 130 this time. playing black, and it's 13 black. If the ball hitting one color, you're trying to use that in your advantage. You're not mounting or anything, just continue like this. 25 red, so it's gonna be 150 on red again. $32 red, okay, so 110. 10 black, so going to 130 on black. Number 2 black, so it's gonna be 110. If the ball hits the 0, you just make free spin and continue playing like this. You're playing last color that fell. Okay, that's black, is a win. Okay, so I'm gonna play 90 now. 90 on black. Five red, so increase bet to 110. Betting red now. 3 red, that's great. Decrease a bet. Playing 90 this time. So once you hit the profit, you may finish the game if you want, or just continue. I'm in a profit of 160 now. So I could go back to the beginning, but I'm just gonna continue. And playing 70 now, 70 on red. It's 11 black, so going to 90 on black. And it's 35 black. Then back to 70 on black. Number 7, so increase bet. I play 90 on red. And here we go, that's the red one, so decrease that back to 70. And 21 red again. So I'm playing 50 now. And it's red again. I managed to make a profit of $320. I'm gonna quit it for today. Nice profits there. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next video.